got a sewing machine. If you know me, you know that I sew. I used to sew when I was in Nigeria. Like, I actually did learn how to sew, and I ran a clothing business for about how many years? Anyway, so since I came, I'm not only like 4 years or longer. So I've been wanting to get a small sewing machine. I used to have one of these when I first started sewing before I got the bigger ones. And for some reason, I always had the reason, oh, I'm too, like, I didn't have time, I didn't have space because my children climb everywhere. But I made some clothes from Nigeria for sale, and some of them don't fit as well. Like, some of them are too long because of like different sizes of customers. Well, long story short is that I finally got a sewing machine. I'm supposed to be excited, but I'm in not a great mood this morning. But yeah, my sister came. I don't know how I'm talking and you're not hearing me, or you're not seeing my face rather. Anyway, I'll just unbox this and yeah. So I got the, I don't even know. I don't need anything extra because I don't plan to like do proper sewing, mainly just adjustments and stuff. So I don't need like anything like high level. Just, I think it's a beginner one, but I didn't really care, to be honest. I just have a couple of clothes that of my stuff that don't fit as well. I'm not using a mic, so I don't know if the audio will be good, but I'm not get stressed. So yeah, I just have a couple of clothes that don't fit as well. Sometimes there are rips in my children's clothes, and the needle and thread just doesn't do justice. I hope I remember what the hell I'm supposed to do, to be honest. It's been so long, and I hope pregnancy has not collected my brain. So yeah, I'm actually excited, even though you can't tell from my voice. I'm quite excited. I just have some, and this is it. My Asaka Wellington. This is it. I've been struggling, to be honest, to do these vlogs. I don't know why. So I'm just going to do a day in my life, I guess. So, but I'll insert clips from my sister. She came on Thursday. I think Thursday morning. Yeah. So it's been fun. At least I don't always have the babies tethered to me, if you know what I mean. It's been nice, actually, really nice. Just not just because she's my sister, duh, but just nice to not have the children on me. Yeah, that's that. So today, since she came, the last time she came, I was just coming out of, in fact, I was still smack in the postpartum trenches. So we didn't do anything. We only went out I think the day before she was supposed to travel, or even that same day, I can't remember. And we only went to, where's that place we went to again? Doha Port. And we had we had burgers at Lucille Boulevard at night. It was not nice. It was not nice. She didn't really enjoy her trip. She didn't go anywhere. So this time around, I'm already outside. Like, she came out and I'm already outside. Let me increase this AC. It's a bit. So yeah, I'm already outside. So I'm like, okay, it's not going to be like the last time. So but she came. It's been my father is already counting for her. Yesterday he said she has spent 5 days. So yeah, she's here for another 2 weeks ish. But we want to make everywhere count. The only thing we've done is see, this week has been full. Eid, we went out on Thursday, went out on Friday. Okay, I can just pick my style from the airport on Thursday. We've been going out, but I've just been struggling with sharing. Let me see. Sharing, not just sharing, I mean like enjoying myself, and I think a lot of people have this problem, like enjoying myself while and also recording. So sometimes I'm just like, I'm having so much fun with my friends. I'm just having a good laugh, and I don't want to have a camera in everybody's faces, or just even need to document. Like sometimes it's just too much. Let me not even lie. But today, I think I'm going to do a spend the day with me. We want to go to the mall. I think one of my favorite malls in Qatar is I think everybody knows I love DFC, but I think I love Vendome because it's very classy. So we have a couple of things we want to do. I need to get retinol from Sephora. I think I don't know what else I need, but I think I 100% I'm going to buy a retinol. I have glycolic. I've not gotten, hey, God. I don't know why I'm rambling. I've not gotten PR in a while, so I'm running out of a lot of skincare products. But the one I know I need to get like 100% is retinol, like ASAP. I've not used retinol in months, to be honest. So I just want to get that. I want to try retinol, which is actually a higher. I'll still do a skincare video. I'm sorry, but I want to get retinol. I think I want to try the one from either ordinary or in key lists. Then what else do I want to get? I want to get what else? Well, I don't know. We just want to shop around. Then hey, I want to go to Boots. Like my baby's bathing cream and soap and well, I'm out. I need to top up on that and just shop around, take some pictures. And she's around. Oh my god! During my content days, my sister was my photographer. Like I'll see if I can find. I should find a video of her taking pictures of me. Yeah, and she takes the best pictures of me, to be honest. So I'm going to try and do pictures. So I'll pack like I have an abaya. I'm supposed to like a collaboration abaya. I think I've done one already. It's on my Instagram. I think I'll just do. There are three of them. I don't know if I'll do all three, but since I'm already out, I'll do one more. Yeah, I'll do one more, and maybe take pictures and have brunch with her. Like I want to just go out alone with her. Like I don't think we've done that since I started popping babies. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Hopefully we get some pictures together because I mean this life is the memories we make that we live with. I don't know if that makes sense, but my mom was here for 3 months and I think I regret not taking as much pictures with her. I'm looking for my hand fan. I don't even want to wear this watch. Yeah, so I just that's what we're just gonna do today. So this is going to be like a day in my life. Yeah. So just enjoy. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm looking for my hand fan because I have I have to, I have a lot of moisturizer on my face. I use the snail missing. Yeah. So let me just do my makeup quickly. I'll be back. Sister just gave me a MAC powder because for some reason I don't know this one I've been using. I also that is red. I don't know what to do about it now, but it's already there. And boom, MAC. Oh my god. Oh god. I think it's better. Oh! My fat face. My back is free. I was saying my husband, this mall is exactly, I mean, this hotel is exactly the same design as this university, yeah? Yeah. It might be owned by the same person. I'm seeing something here. Here. Oh, I don't. Never be able to wear mini skirts like this again. Oh, this is so cute. Chanel inspired. Pretty though. Oh, this dress is dreamy. Is the price dreamy? How much? What can't I see? It's mini $159. A dreamy dress, but not a dreamy price. But it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, and it's cheap. Ladies, spice up your relationship with this. 42. No. Oh, 44 is ugly. Yeah. No, but like it's not like it's mud. It looks like those. Leave me alone. See more 44 here. Let's check. Yeah. I love perfume.